Let me show you how to fix missing LDAC option in Bluetooth settings on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you have a Bluetooth device that it is supposed to have LDAC option available in Bluetooth settings and you don't have it, the reason why you don't have it might be due to an app that you may have just installed for your Bluetooth device. In my case, I did install an app for my earbuds over here, and if I go to the earbud settings menu over here, I should be able to find this option, sound quality, and most likely you have to find a similar option in the app in your case as well. And what you need to do is you need to simply prioritize sound quality to ensure that the highest quality for the sound is of course provided, which includes the usage of LDAC audio codec. So if I switch now to the sound quality over here, and if I go back to settings, now as you can see here, LDAC just appeared and I can use it without any issues whatsoever. So essentially go through the settings of your app and search for quality settings, sound quality settings in general, and make sure that the sound quality is in fact the priority for your Bluetooth device. Leave a like and subscribe.